next project will be making bookcases that will go from the floor to the ceiling in these two areas next to the fireplace. So first I'll have to remove the baseboard in those areas. Then I will have to make a frame so that the bookcase sits higher than the baseboard line. Then I'll wrap the baseboard around the cabinets. Then I need to make sure that it's level, then place a countertop on top. And then there will be spaces on either side of the cabinets, so then I'll have to fill this up as well. Before nailing the pieces together, make sure to get a leveler to check if your wood pieces are completely flat. You can use the scrap pieces of wood you have left over or get shims to prop up the sides as needed. When your frame is ready to be attached to the wall, you can use something like this, which helps to find the beams behind the wall. Where the beams are, it will turn red, and remember to mark those locations, and that's where you want to attach the frame onto the wall. Power outlets there, so I'm going to be cutting a hole on the back of this cabinet which goes in there, so we can still access that port even though the cabinet is in front. I've put the frame in, it's now level, and I've put the cabinet on top. So once we assemble it, we should have the baseboard here, and we can open the cabinet nicely. Basically finished. You can see I've added little blocks of wood there, and there. So the purpose is, as you can see, the cabinet depth is not as deep as the frame is, so this helps to prevent the cabinets from shifting backwards. I've also added strips of wood along the wall frame, so this is to support the weight of the countertop, which will sit on top of the cabinets. These little strips of wood also supports like the wood fillers. You can see this makes it more secure. I've also added these blocks of wood on top of the cabinets because the top is hollow, so this helps increase the surface area by which it can hold on to the countertop. This is the plywood that you're using as our countertop. As you can see from side view, it's not very pretty, so we got this veneer edge tape, which looks like this, and you can apply it to the sides. It already has adhesive on it, so once you run a hot iron, so the heat will make it stick to the surface, and you can paint over it and make it look